Good morning, my friends. Today is Monday, August 1st. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Over the weekend, I was updating some of the lessons in my course, Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom. And I wanted to mention something in this short video that I think is going to help some of you. Trading is a hit or miss prospect most days, right? But if you want to trade more profitably and more consistently, become an outside trader. Now, inside trading is illegal, right? We can't trade on inside information because we could be convicted of insider trading, and that carries penalties. So what is it about insider trading that is so pernicious, so dangerous? Well, insider trading takes advantage of information that everyone else doesn't have to gain an advantage, right? And so insider trading is something that we just can't do. But we can be just as successful and eliminate risk by being an outsider trader. Now, what's an outside trader? Well, an inside trader is a trader that takes advantage of information that nobody else has. But an outside trader can profit just the same by taking advantage of information that everybody else has. So here's how to become an outside trader and trade more successfully, more profitably, with less trading risk. Here's a slide from one of the courses that I was updating, and I came across this slide and I said, I've got to do this video for my viewers, for my YouTube viewers on Monday. Here is a lesson in outsider trading. You see this candle? This candle is known as a hammer, right? And a hammer, in the sense of using it to trade more profitably, using outsider trading information, a hammer comes at the bottom of a decline, right? And it has a long shadow to the downside and a short body, right? The shadow is generally, for a correct candle to be interpreted, or to interpret the candle correctly, the hammer correctly, we have to have a shadow that's at least 3 times the length of the body. And so here is a hammer that fits that description. And what happens, and how do we use this information? Well, as you can see, it's information that everyone has, right? Because it's a candle that forms during the trading day, and we can use it to determine that this decline is going to reverse. Now, how to use this information? Well, we wait and to see if the decline actually does reverse. And this candle is the signal, and we use this outsider trading information. So that's how to become a successful trader using outside trading information. Here's another example of outsider trading information. You're looking at the one-day chart of the S&P, the one-day chart of the S&P, not the E-mini, the S&P. And this is the daily chart, the daily candle. Each candle here is one full trading day. And we can use this for gleaning information that everybody else has and take advantage of it. Here is an example of trading on outsider information. You see these two candles here? This is a red candle, and this is a green candle, right? Okay, Marv, that's obvious. Well, what about these two candles? Well, this is called, this two candle formation is called a kicker symbol. That's right, a kicker symbol. The kicker symbol is the most powerful candlestick signal that there is. The kicker symbol is a red candle and a candle in the opposite direction, or it could be a green candle first. And both candles start at the same place. So here's a red candle that started at 39.51, 52, went down. Here's a green candle the next day, started at 51, 52, same place, and moved in the opposite direction, implying that the next trading session or sessions were going to be positive. So this is trading on outside information. So again, if you want to be a successful trader with less risk, wait for the sure thing. Trade on the outside information. Doesn't happen every day. You're not going to find a hammer with a long tail or even a shooting star symbol that comes at the top of an upswing. You're not going to find that every day. But using patience, wait, observe, and trade on that information, and you'll be a successful trader using outside information. And the best thing is, no one can come and accuse you of doing anything. Enjoy the profits. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Trade safely, use a lot of patience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.